If you are running Amazon ads the same way you did in 2024 or 2025, there is a high chance that your campaigns would not scale in 2026. It's not just because Amazon ads stopped working, but Amazon has quietly changed how the ads work. Most of the sellers still believe that Amazon is just about keywords, bids, and budget, but in 2026, Amazon will be moving into a different phase where uh, buyer intent, conversion signals, and algorithm trust will be matter more than anything else. So in this video, I will break down new Amazon ad strategies for 2026, what's changing, what's no longer working, and how sellers are adopting those early. So without wasting so much time, let's get started. Let's start with the biggest change. Amazon ads is no longer keyword first. In 2026, Amazon don't just ask which keyword matches your search, but it will ask which product is most likely to convert for this shopper right now. So it will go deeply for the shopper behavior now, not just the brand promotion. And this will depend upon the various factor. First one is the historical conversion data of the seller, then the listing engagement, and the third one would be the purchase behavior pattern of the customer, then the brand trust signals, and last would be the post click performance when the user or the buyer will click on your product, and we'll see your listing and all the details and how much it is likely to convert. So this is why multiple sellers can bid on the same keywords, but one will get the consistent sales based on these factors, and the other seller will just keep burning the budget. Second important point is match types are becoming less important than the buyer intent. So in 2026, the broad match phrase and exact match, these labels will still exist, but in 2026, Amazon will push, or you can say the expand or restrict traffic will based on the buyer intent signal. So if your product converts well on some search terms, Amazon will push you harder even outside of your core keywords. So because of that, in 2026, most of the sellers will get sales from the unexpected search terms which they don't even target, and some will lose impression despite of the aggressive bidding. So this system is learning faster than the manual optimization. So this is the another important point. Third point is sponsored brand and videos are no longer optional. In markets like US and UK, Amazon is pushing sponsored brand videos and story based ad journeys. Why? Because Amazon wants brand level signals, not just product level data. So the sellers who are just relying on sponsored products will miss premium placements, will pay higher CPCs, and will also lose visibility to brand led competition. So in 2026, Amazon ads is not just selling your products, it's training Amazon to trust your brand. Fourth one is budget structure matters more than the total spend. One of the most biggest or hidden mistake Amazon sellers make is wrong budget distribution. Amazon now favors stable daily spends, predictable spend patterns, and long running campaigns with consistent data. So if you are doing aggressive scaling on the campaigns with sudden pauses, by like deactivating the campaign and then activating again, it will affect campaign learning. So in 2026, if you want to be a smart seller, scale gradually, not emotionally. Fifth point is Amazon is testing AI driven content optimization. Amazon is already experimenting with the auto selected creatives, which you know, right? AI optimized headlines and image and video rotations. Multiple images you can upload now in sponsored brand campaigns. So Amazon is already rotating these images and videos based on the CTR. This means that your creative assets will matter more than ever now in 2026. The generic images and lazy ad copies will reduce ad efficiency, and listing and ads are now deeply connected. So you can say the seller winning ads are now or you can say will be winning the content quality also. So the winning ads will be those which will be the content rich, not just the keyword rich. Now let's answer the real burning question. What is the biggest Amazon ad secret in 2026? Here it is, and maybe you will not like it, that you will again have to optimize the ads in the way you are doing right now, optimizing the keywords bit, but more importantly, you have to optimize how Amazon thinks about your product. So in 2026, winning Amazon ads means high quality listings that converts, clean budget structure that fits the algorithm, daily stable daily budgets that allow learning, and strong brand signals through videos and maybe storefronts. And the last one would be the data to let it compound. So if you, the sellers who will win in 2026 will not be the one with maybe the highest bids, but with the one who will understand how Amazon really thinks about a product. So if you want to win in 2026, and if you will follow this structure, this will be the Amazon ads in 2026 will be more predictable, more scalable, and more profitable for you. So if you like this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe, because upcoming changes in Amazon ads will reward you will reward you the preparation, not just the reaction on the videos. So I hope you like the video. Make sure to like and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Bye bye.